In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with Clickbank, make your first $1,000 without any experience. And it's going to be a simple video, right? So before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I've made a lot of money with affiliate marketing throughout many years. So again, as you could see on my screen as well, again, my Clickbank, this is one of my Clickbank accounts which I'm making money constantly. So please consider subscribing, and now let's get started, right? So in this video, I'll show you a really simple way to start making money right now, and with this strategy, you're going to make more than $1,000 if you do it correctly, right? So first things first, all you have to do is just go on Marketplace. Once you're in your Marketplace, all you have to do is go on view all offers or just click on top offers. Very simple. They have made everything simple right now. This is the new dashboard, right? Now, all you have to do is just go sort by gravity high. Okay. So gravity high means currently how many people are making money with this right now. So again, this is the product which we would be promoting. All you have to do is just click on the product name, and this is how it is, the Alpine Secret for healthy weight loss. Okay, and then all you have to do is just click on the affiliate page. They give you all the demographic, age, gender, traffic type, okay, YouTube, TikTok, and more. Location, USA, Canada, Australia. And if you need more help, all you have to do is just message them over here, and they would be more than happy to help you. All you have to do is just put your Clickbank ID, but we don't even need to do that. You can just click on promote, and once you create hop link, okay, this is your hop link. So imagine if someone purchases from this link, so again, you can see my name, they are approximately going to get $134. In fact, you can get more than that, because if you go order now, if someone buys this one, or like if they buy 6 bottles and then there's an upsell, cross sell, you might get more as well, right? So now once you know this is the product which you are going to promote, now the next thing is all you have to do is just go on Google Trends. Okay, so again, what are Google Trends? It shows you the most trending topic throughout the world. So what I'll do is I'll just type weight loss. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is the past 12 months. Once I do that, I could see over here ice hack weight loss. So again, this is something which is really good. So what I could do is I need to spy now. So I have found a winning keyword. There are so many other keywords as well. So ice hack for weight loss. So I'm going to do is ice hack for weight loss, right? So again, it's already trending, I know. So as you could see, a lot of people are putting ads on this keyword, which means this keyword is converting really, really well, right? So if I scroll down more, I can see a lot of ads. Okay, so it's much more about quiz. Okay, and then I'll just open some of them. So this is something which is very simple. They'll ask you for a quiz, or even this one, they're selling this product as well, Alpiline. I'll scroll more down. I would go on other related searches. So again, I'll go over here. I'll see for more ads. So again, I found one of the ads which says Himalayan ice hack 30 capsules and everything. So now we have found the ad, we have found the page. Again, what we need to do is make this page 10% better. We can add a call to action, we can add a timer. It's very easy. And even the ad, so we could make the ad much more better, because right now what we could do is find, with just checking with this, I feel I could make it much more better. So now we have found the product. Now we have found the keyword, we have found the landing page. So now we have all the ingredient. Now it's just time to create the ad and start making money. So again, to promote it, what we are going to do is use Google Ads, and then we are going to create that. So let's get started. So all you have to do is just type Google Ads, and they're going to then you're going to find this website, and then you can just click on it and you can start register it. And if you're someone who's creating the ads the first time, they give you a $500 credit depending on your country. But I've already used my promotion, I already have an account, so I might not get it. But if you're starting new, you might get it. So again, it's going to be free of cost. Now once you register, all you have to do is just create a new campaign. Once you're on your new campaign, all you have to do is just click on website traffic, click next. You can click on search. You need to click on search, click next. Okay, I'm gonna type ice test. Okay, for me this is a test campaign. All you have to do is start new. Once you do start new, for bidding, what I'm going to do is I'll do maximum clicks. Okay, set a maximum click. So how much can you pay per click? So I would start with 0.45. Okay, depending on your budget, right? Or the best thing is, all you have to do is go on keyword planner. Our keyword is ice hack for weight loss. Just search over here, ice hack for weight loss, get results. So again, highest bid is 99 and the lowest is 27, so I'll be in the middle. So this looks correct, 0.40. Click on next. Let me choose the country. So if I want to choose the countries would be USA, Canada. So everything is mentioned over here. Okay, USA, Canada, UK, Australia, New Zealand. But for this video, I'm just going to type United States. Okay, target. I'm gonna select English. Everything is the same. Everything is the same. Now what I am going to do is ice hack for weight loss. I'm going to search. I can type 2-3 keywords over here. Ice hack for weight loss. And then what else did we find? It's Himalayan ice hack. Okay, get keyword suggestions. So everything is related to that. I'm going to click next. Now again, you need to create a landing page. Again, for this video, I've not created a landing page, but what I could do is, for this example, I could just type google.com because I don't have a landing page. Okay. Then I would say alpine ice hack for weight loss. Okay, and then make everything the first letter capital. And then the best thing what I do is I can go on over here. I go on email swipes. Okay. So again, they would send you the email swipes. Usually you find really good ad copies and email swipes. So again, that's a cheat or a hack where you find good email swipes. Also looking at the landing page, it says odd ice hack. So again, I can come here, odd, and then I can check my competition as well. What are they doing? So what I could do is check over here. So again, I'm not gonna waste a lot of time creating ad copies, but this is how it is. I'm going to put the headlines. So I wrote the description. Okay, you can add more as well, but for now, for this test, I'm not gonna add more. But again, you can follow your competition, check what are they typing. So we could just literally do is the ice hack real? Come over here, paste it, click on next. Okay, once everything is done, so again, you could see I'm gonna get around 1000 clicks, and it's going to be a cost of $128. And again, the CPC can be a bit less as well. And if I remove my calculator right now, let me take the worst case scenario, right? So we are spending around $128 with 1000 clicks. The worst conversion rate, right? It's going to be 0.01, which is 1%. So you're going to get 10 sales, right? And now again, with 10 sales, with an average order value of, let's say, worst case scenario, right? We are going to take 50. So at least we are going to make $500 from around $150. So we can do minus, or let's say minus 200. So at least we are going to make $300, which is, again, you can improve it as well, but I'm just taking the worst case scenario. So this is how it is. The results are in front of you. And then you can click on next and you can start. And again, right now you could create more campaigns. I'm just giving you an idea right now. You could just go on weight loss. You can go on last 30 days or last 90 days or last 60 days. Let's take last 30 days, much better. And then again, what is trending? Avocado weight loss. Okay, so this one's trending really good, right? So you can connect keto recipes with avocado weight loss, and then again, it's already trending. You just have to find the right audience. You have the right keyword. So let me just check over here. Avocado for weight loss, right? Again, avocado weight loss. Okay, I can search here. And again, not a lot of people are doing advertisements. So again, you can try it out. Again, some of them are doing it. So you can try it out. A healthier 2023. So yeah, you could see foods to avoid on keto, right? So you can add a keto offer over here and you can start making money. Okay, hit your goals. Norm is doing it over here. And then if I search more, what's this one, right? I'm not sure. What does this do? Let me search over here. Okay, pretty much mind-blowing weight loss. Okay, it's some person who lost this much. So again, it's everywhere. It's on the news as well. So you can hop on it. Again, some people are advertising on it. So again, you can advertise as well, right? Hop on the see easy weight loss, target stubborn belly fat. So people who might be searching for this might come on your ad and they might click on it, and you know where it's. So again, the guy is in Arizona, so you could target Arizona itself, narrow your target, make more money. I think so. Yeah, that's it. I can keep on going. I can keep on giving you ideas. Like literally, I can just go on diet plan and then just click here. Again, you could see Mediterranean food. So this one's trending really good, right? So Mediterranean food, Mediterranean weight loss. So I could say diet, Mediterranean diet, weight loss, right? And then I can search, and I'm sure there might be ads over here as well. So see, cut the belly fat and balance your sugar. So someone's already promoting over here. So yeah, they're transforming. What's this? So they're selling some plan over here. So you could do it as well. You can hop on, you can select a Clickbank product and start selling. And I hope so. That's it for today's video. If you find this video valuable, please consider subscribing. And if you have any questions, do let me know on Instagram. Message me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. And if you would like to learn more about affiliate marketing, I've created a free course. Go and check it out. And Yavar Khan signing off.